Sponge coils, or will you call it coil sponge, is one of the things you can use to define your coils as far as you like to go on short hair styles. I welcome you on Mimi Unique and Hairstyles. So in today's video, you can see that it's all about coil sponge, how you can use it, and other trending beautiful short hairstyles. You can also do the colored one and the one that is not colored. And for you to know that it's very easy for you to do, you can also do it yourself if you don't want to go to a barber or a stylist. Yeah, keep watching.
Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep.
So sweethearts, we always say that the ball is now in your court to make a decision on what you want to do. So pick any style here and always look cute. Keep watching.
I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune.
Sweetheart, you can see that it is very easy to do. It's not something that wastes your time. You just need one or two things and you are done. And you can see that it has two different faces. The one that those that have long hair but not so long, just medium, yeah, short hair can use, and those that have really short hair like me, the one you can use too. So you can go for it and always look cute and sharpy. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, I welcome you on Mimi Unique and Hairstyles. It is a channel that is always concerned for your beauty, and I always tell my fans to always think positive, be yourself, and look good. I'm signing out, sweetie. Catch you in my next upcoming video. But before then, don't forget that subscription in this channel is free. Okay, bye. Stay blessed.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make